Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students of class 7, today we are going to start lesson number 4 from English 7th Punjab textbook board. Topic of today's lesson is rain in summer. Rain in the season of summer. This is actually a poem. The theme of this poem is rain in summer. See the first stanza of this poem. First listen. How beautiful is the rain after the dust and heat, in the broad and fiery street, in the narrow lane. How beautiful is the rain. Okay, now listen again and underline some difficult words. How beautiful is the rain after the dust and heat, in the broad and fiery street, and in the narrow lane. How beautiful is the rain. In this stanza, the poet is admiring the rainy season in summer. So when it rains, he says how beautiful is the rain after the dust and heat. Okay, whenever there is too much heat and dust everywhere in the season of summer, like these days, whenever it comes rain, it looks very beautiful. In the broad and fiery streets, okay, it looks beautiful in the broad, vast ovaries, and fiery means hot like fire street. Okay, because of heat, because of sunshine, the streets become fiery, they become hot, very hot. Okay, there is too much heat and dust everywhere. So when it comes rain, it looks very beautiful. Okay, broad the sea, kuli kushada. Okay, when the rain is beautiful in the broad and fiery street, in the narrow lane. Narrow is opposite of broad. Broad the sea, kushada the narrow, tongue, small, close. Okay. And lane mean road as well as lane means street. Okay. Street गली को भी कहते हैं, road रास्ते को भी कहा जाता है, road वो सड़क को. Okay. Both can be meanings of for the poet here. So he says it looks beautiful in broad streets, it looks beautiful in narrow streets or narrow roads. How beautiful is the rain. Now next stanza. How it clatters along the roofs like the tramp of hooves. How it gushes and struggles out from the throat of overflowing spout across the window pane. Listen again and underline some difficult words. How it clatters along the roofs like the tramp of hooves. How it gushes and struggles out from the throat of overflowing spout across the window pane. Now see again. How it clatters along the roofs. How it clatters. How the rain clatters. Clatter means make repeated sharp sound. Make repeated sharp sound. तेज आवाज जो मुसलसल पैदा हो रही हो, जैसे खड़खड़ाट की आवाज है, खटखट की आवाज है. After rain, this sound is created on the roof. Okay, on the roof of the room or your house, you can feel that sound, repeated sharp sound of rainfall. Okay, that is called clatters. The rain is clattering on the roof. बारिश जो है रूफ के ऊपर खटखट कर रही है, आवाजें पैदा कर रही है. Okay, like the tramp of hooves. Okay, it clatters. Its clattering is like the tramp of hooves. Tramp is sound of steps. कदमों की आवाज. किस चीज के कदमों की आवाज? Hooves. Hoofs mean hard part of horse's feet. घोड़ों के पाँव के नीचे जो लोहे का एक हिस्सा लगाते हैं, that is called खुर, और सुम भी कहा जाता है उसको उर्दू में, तो उनको हूफ्स कहा जाता है। ठीक, जिस तरह घोड़ा भागता है और उसके भागने से आवाज़ खटखट की आवाज़ आती है, क्लैटरिंग की आवाज़ आती है, सेम इज द क्लैटरिंग ऑफ रेन। मीन क्लैटरिंग इज लाइक द ट्रैम्प ऑफ हूफ्स, जैसे कि घोड़े के चलने की आवाज़ हो। How it gushes and struggles out. How it gushes. Gush mean to go forward, to rush forward. आगे की तरफ तेजी से बढ़ना, ये तेजी के साथ आगे बढ़ती है। It means the water of rain. The water gushes forth, आगे की तरफ जाता है तेजी से, and struggles out and tries to go out, और बाहर निकलने की कोशिश करता है। From what? From the throat of overflowing spout. किस चीज से निकलने की कोशिश करता है? From the throat, गले से। किस चीज का? Overflowing spout. Spout is a pipe or tube to pour liquid. लिक्विड किसी चीज में डालने के लिए जो पाइप होता है या एक ट्यूब सी होती है, that is called spout. Okay, when the spout is overflowing, okay, running off, जब वो फुल हो जाए, भर जाए, भरे हुए उस पाइप में से, पाइप के गले में से निकलने की कोशिश करता है बारिश का पानी, और आगे की तरफ बढ़ता है। ओके, स्पाउट, लाइक वी से स्पाउट ऑफ टी पॉट। चैनल कैटल जो होता है, टी पॉट होता है, उसका एक स्पाउट होता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड स्पाउट, पाइप। वो भरी हुई नालियों में से निकलने के लिए कोशिश करता है। अक्रॉस द विंडो पेन, एंड वी कैन सी इट अक्रॉस द विंडो पेन। विंडो पेन, विंडो ग्लास, खिड़की का जो शीशा होता है उसके साथ भी ये पानी आ रहा होता है। इट पोर्स एंड पोर्स across the window pane, it pours and pours, fall continuously, pour, ये मुसलसल गिरता रहता है, मुसलसल गिरता रहता है, across the window pane. And swift and wide, it falls swiftly, okay, mean rapidly, तेजी के साथ, swift and wide, और वसी, कुशादा जगह पे, कुशादा पूरे के पूरे उस शीशे के ऊपर ये फैला हुआ होता है। With a muddy tide, it creates a wave, or it makes a run with mud. जब ये शीशे के ऊपर से, विंडो पेन के ऊपर से जा रहा होता है, तो it is full of mud. इसमें कीचड़ भी होता है, इसमें डस्ट भी होती है, और उसकी टाइड्स बना रहा होता है, उसकी वेव्स बना रहा होता है, या वहाँ से जा रहा होता है। Like a river down the gutters roar, the rain we welcome bring. Like a river, जैसे कि एक दरिया हो, down the gutter roars, okay, like a river, ये पानी जो होता है, बारिश का पानी, ये रिवर की तरह, down the gutters, down the drains, spillways, ये नालियों के या बड़े बड़े नालों में से, roars, चंगाड़ता हुआ, चीखें मारता हुआ गुजरता है। फिर roar, the lion roars, lion जो होते हैं वो roar करते हैं। It means make a loud sound, okay? When it goes through the gutters, drain or spillways, it roars, okay? It makes loud sound. The rain, we welcome rain, especially in the season of summer. We welcome rain. This poem is written by H.W. Longfellow. Okay, here is now your homework vocabulary. Find out the words from the poem which have the same meanings as in column A and write them in column B. In other words, meanings have been given in column A. You have to find words for these meanings and write them in column B. For example, makes repeated sharp sounds. So for that the word is used clatter, clatter, okay? So you will write here clatter. Similarly, rush for, hot as fire, the hot part of the feet of horses. You will write their words in the B column. Okay, next exercises that you will do on your notebooks as well. Consult a thesaurus and find out the synonyms of the following words. There is a small bit difference between thesaurus and dictionary. The thesaurus normally contain synonyms and antonyms of the words, and in dictionary you can find the detail of any word. The thesaurus is a type of dictionary, right? You can use dictionary as well to find out synonyms for these words: lane, swift, muddy, and narrow. Okay, you will find their synonyms. इनके मुतरादिफ, same meanings. 3 words for each. Okay. Next, your next activity. Answer the following questions. You will write the answers of these questions. First question: when does rain look beautiful? Rain कब खूबसूरत नजर आती है? How does the poet compare the sound of rain dropping on roof? Okay, how does he compare? ये कैसे compare करते हैं, ताबूल करते हैं उसके गिरने को, rain के गिरने को roof के ऊपर. What is the spout? What's the meaning of spout? Why is it called overflowing? इसको overflowing क्यों कहा गया? भरा हुआ क्यों कहा गया? Where does the rain water pour? How does the rain water look like in the streets? And who welcomes the rain? Exercise B. Fill the blanks to complete the following stanzas. This will be done by yourself. And now next is the grammar portion, and that is about articles and their kinds that we already have done from English grammar tree. So let's revise that and do some exercise. Use the indefinite articles a and n. Okay. The choice between a and n is determined by sound. A is used before word beginning with a consonant sound, and n is used before the word beginning with a vowel sound, as we have learned earlier. Okay. Right. Okay, here is a usage of a or n. If we wish to generalize the noun, we use indefinite article. A lion lives in a forest. A lion, कोई भी lion हो सकता है. Any lion, any forest, in general sense. An ox is gazing in the field. Here, an ox, that is not any particular ox, grazing in the particular field. Okay. Not the field is, but field is particular, the field. Okay, this can be a before consonant sounds, examples have been given, and n before vowel sounds, examples have been given. There are some special use of a or n. A before vowel sounding as u and wa. Okay, vowel, but it sounds u and wa. For example, a union. U is vowel letter, but it sounds here consonant u. A useful verb. Okay. And before consonant sounding as a vowel. N is used before consonant, but that consonant is sounding as vowel, like as an hour. Okay, an hour. H is silent. O sound is here. That is vowel, so n. And ma. M is consonant, but it sounds vowel, so n. We use n. Right? Use of definite article the. The is definite article, as we have studied earlier, because it normally points out some particular person or thing. He saw the teacher, meaning some particular teacher. When you say he saw the teacher, it means you have seen some particular teacher. Okay. Next, the definite nouns and uncountable nouns. For example, the box, the boxes. the middle. Okay, some definite nouns and uncountable nouns we use before them the. Okay, fill in the blanks. Indefinite article a and n. You will use one of them in these 7 blank spaces. Okay, this is your home activity. And next is B, exercise B. Complete the following sentences by filling in a or an or the. Okay, definite and indefinite articles as may be suitable. Okay, you will decide what should be put and where should be put. Your next home activity is writing skills. Study the flow chart of the formation and rainfall. Then write a paragraph of 60 to 70 words on rainfall. Okay. This is the flow chart. Okay. Sun rays suck up water from seas. Okay. What is the formation of rainfall? Okay, this is flow chart. We will write it in paragraph. Okay. Hints, some hints have been given. It starts from here. Sun rays suck up water from seas. Sun rays जो होती हैं वो समंदर से पानी को लेती हैं वहाँ से. Then water vapor rises high in the sky. Then the higher it rises, the cooler it becomes. Next step is condenses into clouds and then becomes too heavy, and then it falls on earth as a rain. Okay, these are 6 points, and you will, with the help of these points, you will make a paragraph of 60 to 70 words. What is the process of formation of rainfall? Okay, here is the end of this chapter.